Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 11 minus 3, okay, is equal to 8. Then again 11 minus 3 is equal to also 8. Now 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. But here they are wrong because this answer is wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay. Now, in this question, first priority is this parenthesis, okay. So 11 minus 3. Now 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 because first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, okay. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 11 minus 3 multiply 8 is equal to 24. Now 11 minus 24 is equal to minus 13, okay. So the correct answer is minus 13. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.